Hello YouTube, this is Meet Crypto, the channel where we teach topics like blockchain, cryptocurrencies, decentralized finance, decentralized applications, and much more. So, for our first video, we decided to talk about NFTs, also known as non-fungible tokens. I know, everyone has already made a video about NFTs, but did you really understand it? Well, if you didn't, keep on watching and maybe you will learn something new. And if you did, also keep on watching, that would be great for the channel. If you got into crypto space this year, due to the rise in Bitcoin prices and the fear of missing out, you might have noticed that NFTs are a huge topic of the moment. This video explains what NFTs are and their future potential. But first, let me show you some famous NFTs that you have probably heard of. The first one is a digital painting made by Beeple. He's like the Picasso of the digital art space. His latest painting, called The First 5,000 Days, sold for $69.4 million. Justin Blau, or better known as some random DJ, sold his NFT music collection for $11.6 million. And Jack Dorsey, the founder and CEO of Twitter, took a screenshot of his first tweet, turned it into an NFT, and sold it for almost $3 million. So basically, NFTs are digital files containing different types of content, like art or music. But let's go back to the basics. What are NFTs exactly? Let's take the €2 coin for example. There are probably millions of these coins circulating around the world, and we know for a fact that every €2 coin is worth €2. So it doesn't matter if you have an old €2 coin or a new one. It doesn't matter if it comes from Spain or Germany. All coins are worth the same. This is called a fungible token. On the other hand, a non-fungible token is unique and it doesn't necessarily share the same value with the other token. For example, NFT A is not the same as NFT B because they do not contain the same value inside of the token itself. It's confusing, I know. Let's see some examples of things in the physical world that compare to NFTs. Pokemon cards, like Charizard or Pikachu. All Pokemon cards have the same physical attributes, but they contain different Pokemon in them, and for some reason, some of them sell them for thousands of dollars and other ones are worth nothing. Another example are pieces of art like the Mona Lisa and your third grade painting. In theory, they are the same, they are just a painting, but one of them is priceless and the other one is probably worth 3 cents, maybe. The latest NFT projects contain digital art, music albums, game tokens, and tickets for concerts or sporting events. NFTs are just not all hype. They're actually pretty cool and useful. That is because NFTs are programmable. A NFT can be programmed to change or do something special if something triggers it, like a market crash or the outcome of a presidential election. NFTs possess unique characteristics given to them by the creator of the token. Still don't get it? I'll give you 2 more examples. Say, your favorite artist came to town and you get a ticket for the concert. The ticket will be converted into an NFT and be sent to your wallet. So, it's basically a digital ticket. Don't we have those already? No! The NFT gives you proof of validation provided by the blockchain. That means that it is impossible to make a copy or fake it. Okay, but aren't digital tickets nowadays also really hard to fake? Yes. But what happens if you get sick and you can't go to a concert? You would like to resell the ticket, right? The black market makes millions of dollars a year reselling tickets. And well, consumers and artists do not like that. NFTs solve this problem. Remember how I said that NFTs are programmable? The artist might have programmed the ticket to be resold for maximum 10% of its original value, and a small percentage of the resold ticket would go back to the artist. That way, black markets would end, and the consumers and artists would be happy again. Example number 2. The good old music industry. Let's say Eminem sold 100 NFTs that allow special access to backstage to any concert you want, forever. Or, with the NFT, you can have access to never before seen footage, like music videos or songs. On the other hand, smaller artists might sell NFTs as part ownership of their songs or albums, which would lead to royalties. But why would they ever do that? Let's say you're a small artist and need money. Instead of going to the evil record labels, they can just finance it with NFTs. This allows the artist to grow and fans to be more involved. So, how can you get started with NFTs? Number 1. OpenSea.io. This is like the eBay of NFTs. Here you can find anything from digital art to game tokens to, well, pretty much everything you can think of in the NFT space. Place number 2. Axie Infinity. A world inspired by Pokemon. This is a universe with digital pets that allows community interaction and character growth. And place number 3. Vivi. It's basically digital art, but of licensed material like Back to the Future or Batman. This is great for collectors and hardcore fans, and they have some really cool augmented reality features which you can use. So, that is it. I hope this video helped you understand NFTs at least a little bit better. If it did, smash the like button and subscribe. And if it didn't, just watch the video again. I'm sure you'll get it the second time. Have a good one. Thank you. Bye.